add key value. Now let me do another change to the dictionary. I want to add key value, one extra key value pair. So let me add one extra key value pair to the dictionary. Example number 10, fruits equals to apples, red, mangoes, yellow, pears, white. Fruits of apricots equals to yellow. Take the pair of fruits, it will return another key value pair at the end. This will be the output by now. So this will be the new output. Now look, my dictionary has 3 key value pairs, pair 1, pair 2 and pair 3, which has been named with the fruits. So this dictionary has been saved with the name fruits in the computer memory. Whenever I want to access this dictionary, you need to call fruits. You simply need to call fruits. So I put fruits and then apricots equals to yellow. So apricot is a new fruit here. When you take a pair of fruits, your apricots with the yellow value will be added at the end. So there we got 4 pairs now, 4 key value pairs. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's how this changing in a dictionary is called mutability. This process is called mutability. We can change the value of a dictionary. We can also add another key value pair to the dictionary. So first we had only 3 pairs, 1, 2, 3. Then after the mutability, after doing changes, we added another extra pair, key value pair, which is apricots and yellow. So this is the key, this is the value. So I hope you understand it now that what is mutability. For mutability would simply mean changes in a dictionary. That changing process is called mutability process.